Tiger Height, and I'm here to make AEW Collision and Pro Wrestling Majestic again. Oh my god, I'm telling you, I am that close to just stopping doing reviews on Collision. It is so useless, time-consuming, and there's nothing there. There's no substance to this show. It's just nothing. Seriously, tell me one thing that is even remotely interesting about Collision. Andrade, maybe. Miro, maybe. Other than that, FTR, maybe. Other than that, who? What? What about this show makes it any different from Rampage? And I don't even cover Rampage anymore, and I have a quality of life there. Or a quality of life improvement. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to continue with Collision. At least for right now, yes, but I'll think about it. I would rather cover NWA. I'd rather cover MLW. Seriously. At the very least, the first match was good. Andrade El Idolo taking on Juice Robinson. I like this. It was a good opener. It was a hammerlock DDT for Andrade to win. But other than that, it fell off an immediate cliff. I'm going to give it a full thumbs up. I was pleasantly surprised. There was a lot of good action, and they took their time with this match. And here's the cliff. Best Friends taking on the Kingdom. Why? Sure. Yeah, that's it. It was a pile driver for the win for the Kingdom. There was a post-match promo. I didn't care at all. Orange Cassidy thumbs down, and that's being really nice. Seriously, where? Who? What? Why? It's nothing. Julia Hart versus Vertvixen. At the very least, they're promoting a title match with this, and at the very least, Julia Hart is still undefeated. I mean, it was a fine match. The moonsault was done well. I was actually surprised. Julia Hart was that close for her head to hit that top turnbuckle, but it was a good rotation. It landed very nicely. But have some distance, please. And she called out Chris Statlander. Chris Statlander came out. They faced off. Julia fucked off. And once again, so here's the second post-match promo. And pretty much the rest of the show had post-match promos. They're trying to promote this pay-per-view because this pay-per-view is not selling. They had to do a total restructure of the seating arrangement because it's just selling like shit. Here's Jericho and Kenny Omega taking on the Gates of Agony. This was a fun match because I like seeing the Gates of Agony. It's nice to see a variety of stars. But no, I'm sorry. This promoted absolutely nothing. Even the post-match promo, I have 0.0 interest within the six-person tag because the utilization of legitimate stars is absolutely ridiculous here. Walls of Jericho for the win. I'll give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up. There was a post-match promo. It meant nothing. It did nothing. There was no promotion here whatsoever for this six-person tag for this pay-per-view at all. So there was no graphic that had the Righteous, but the Righteous did wrestle. And I will be honest with you, the fact that this match was not promoted whatsoever really shows me how much they actually care about this show. Zero. Absolutely zero. God. They took on Judas, Icarus, and Travis Williams. Apparently they're from the Dragon Gate Dojo. I don't know why that was important. Assisted cutter for Righteous. It was a nothing. It was another post-match goddamn ass promo against, I swear to God, the world champion of this entire company. And he is defending the tag team champions from the developmental promotion. Well, it should be, but it's a totally burned out, dead promotion. Just let Ring of Honor die. God. Tarnishing the legacy of Ring of Honor. Period. End of goddamn story. This gets a thumbs down. Hell, even the crowd were annoyed by all the talking. God. Talk. They were telling him to shut the fuck up. And I was literally right there telling them to shut the fuck up. And I watched this maybe 20 minutes ago. Oh, I'm full of piss and vinegar. But that's what happens when the show sucks. Like this. They're like, oh, this is an all-star tag team match. Yeah, it kind of is, but seriously? Once again, Bryan Danielson in another no-nothing match. Absolutely nothing for me. Aussie Open, Big Bill, Ricky Starks, Blackpool Combat Club, FTR. It was a pretty good match, but come on, why? Bryan Danielson and all these stupid, useless matches, limited time. Instead of booking good shit, you have him do this. A 8-person tag. What are we doing here? At the very least, the match was good, but that ending got screwed up. I am 100% guaranteeing that was not supposed to be the finish. It was a spear chokeslam from Big Bill and Ricky Starks for the victory? Yeah, no, they pinned the one half of the World Tag Team Champions. I'll be honest with you, I would like to see Ricky Starks and Big Bill taking on FTR for the belts. I think that'd be a cool match. Anyway, it became pandemonium. Bryan Danielson hit Busaiku knee on Big Bill, and then there was a stare down with Zack Sabre Jr., and that's how they closed out this show. That was it. That was Collision. Let me know what you thought about my video and Collision in the comments down below or right over here next to me. Subscribe to the channel, become a patron, get hats. All of that great stuff is going to be in the bio or in the description where you can follow all of my social medias as well. And as always, be majestic. Also, check out the long form podcast, which will be out later today.